How to delete professional dashboard on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So here you can see the professional dashboard. So this shows that you have a professional account. So only when you have a professional account, you'll be able to see your professional dashboard. Now, if you want to delete this professional dashboard, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Now scroll down and tap on the option of Switch Account Type. Here, tap on Switch to Personal Account and then tap on Switch to Personal Account again. As you do that, it will switch us to the personal account. So you can just go back on your profile and here you can see there is no professional dashboard. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.